All right, in this video here, we're going to discuss how we perform a hydroponic reservoir water change. Oh, recording. Hey, so the purpose of this channel is not to show that I'm some expert on hydroponics. I've actually been doing this for about 7 months. The part of social networking that I really enjoy is how it brings a community of like-minded people so we can help each other and all be better in the long run. That is really what the purpose of this channel is. And I want people to comment and tell me where I'm going wrong, tell me what they like, tell me what they don't like. This plan is attacking me. And I can be better, you can be better, maybe you learned something, hopefully I learned something, and we're all gonna be better. So please click that subscribe button and click on the little bell so you can get notifications every time that I'm making a new video so you can tell me how messed up I am. In previous videos, I designed and built this hydroponic stand. There's a link right there for that video where I take it down from how I designed it, how I built it, and there's also a link down below where you can download those plans for free if you wish to build this for yourself. When I originally built this, I didn't think about how I was going to perform this reservoir water change. So later I had to go back and add this drain valve, which is nothing more than just a hot water heater valve, and I Frankensteined some PVC pieces together, slapped it in there, and it works awesome. Now once I installed this valve, it gave me the ability to remove all the water from the reservoir, but I wasn't going to be able to do a full hydroponic reservoir water change because there's another 50 gallons of water in all these buckets. So I went online and I searched on Amazon for some type of pumping solution, and it led me to these battery-powered hand pumps. Now they range from anywhere from like $9 to like $40, but I went in the middle of the road and got this $20 pump. It's rated for oil, water, and gas. And I wanted to have a little more robust pump simply because once this hydroponic solution dries, you're gonna get all this scaling that occurs, and that's gonna decrease the life of the pump. Additionally, I make sure that I go and I run fresh water through this pump before I put it up for storage. This pump cost me about 20 bucks. I have a link down below if you're interested in purchasing this pump. Let me show you how I perform this reservoir water change. First thing I do is I disconnect power to the pump and the air agitation pumps. I then close all the isolation valves for each individual bucket. So then I connect a hose to the reservoir water change valve. Once the hose is connected, I open up that valve and then I plug the water pump back in. Now water starts flowing out of my reservoir and into my yard. While that's happening, I take my battery-powered pump, gently pick up one of the bucket lids, slide it to the side, stick the pump inside the bucket. I route the outlet of the hose into my drain pipe, turn it on, and water starts flowing from the bucket back to the reservoir. I simply repeat this for all the buckets, let the pump do the job of getting the water outside, and all the water is gone. To fill it is just as simple. I disconnect the hose from the reservoir drain, I shut the reservoir drain valve, I open up all the individual isolation valves, I go outside, I connect the hose to my hydrant, making sure that the hose is inside the reservoir, I turn the water on, and water flows into the reservoir. Once the reservoir water level reaches a safe level, I plug the pump back in and start pumping water back into my buckets. This takes about 30 minutes, but when the reservoir is full, I can guarantee all my buckets are full and I'm ready to go. I then turn off the water and I'm done. While the water is flowing, I am adding chemicals at the same time to make sure the chemicals are adequately mixed up. So that's all I have. My next video is going to be about chemicals, the chemicals I use, what I've learned about the chemicals, my daily monitoring, and the maintenance that I perform on a day-to-day basis. So if you like this, please check out some of my other videos on hydroponics, and I hope to see you again.